This is a solvent extraction unit. The process uses a solvent to extract up to 99% of the oil from the beans.
In the degumming process, water hydrates impurities in the crude oil. The hydrated gums are separated, leaving the purified oil. The result is a clear, high-quality product.
The filtration system polishes the refined soybean oil. Impurities are removed as the oil flows through.
Beginning analysis of pure soybean oil sample A. Transferring to refractometer for sample B.
This premium oil gives perfect results every time. Watch it crisp up instantly.
Let's add some healthy soybean oil.
It smells so good.
Perfect, now for the veggies.
Yay, stir fry.
Soybean oil has a high smoke point, making it perfect for cooking. It's also rich in polyunsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. This system recycles soybean oil byproducts into valuable materials. It's efficient, sustainable, and reduces industrial waste.
We're managing soybean oil residues from processing. Pumps move it to tanks for separation. Then we neutralize it.
Check the pressure on this extraction line. It's at 150, well within the safe range.
Good, note it.
System is stable, flow rates are optimal. Pressure is holding steady at 2.5 bar.
AI-driven analytics optimize soybean oil output in real time. This system doesn't yield impurity. Pure soybean oil, the heart of natural cooking. Sustainably grown for a healthier tomorrow.